Hello, and welcome to my screencast for LIS 5786 Information Architecture, Spring 2018. My name is Cherin Moody, and I will be comparing Dell.com to ASUS.com. Dell.com's most eye-catching section is the scrolling pictures, which changes over time according to the events on the website. One of the most noticeable features is the search category, which when clicking on prompts you with other options to choose from when searching Dell's website. Also located at the top is the search bar. We will now type in monitors. As you can see, the website offers selections based on the letters that you type in to narrow down your search results. From there, the website loads rather quickly. Monitors are showcased according to what is popular on the website or new. Prices are clearly displayed, and you have the option to customize and buy any monitor. The Contact Us box you may have noticed pop out is also conveniently located to the side where you can chat with a representative or call them. Also located at the top of the website is the menu. No clicking is required to trigger this. All that you need to do is hover. Once hovering and going through selections, additional details pop out depending on the selections. From there you can search home or work depending on what you're looking for. Scrolling down to the bottom of the page, you will notice the footer. The footer has very few details and does not offer a large sitemap. Now let's check out ASUS's website. ASUS offers a similar experience to Dell with a minimalistic design for the front page and the main feature being rotating images of different technologies offered throughout the website. Users will notice the search bar in the top right corner, which when typing, options appear as it becomes clear what the user is searching for. However, if searching the word monitor, no results will appear, as it appears to not be enough detail for the website. Let's try the menu bar. Notice, if I hover over the menu bar, nothing happens. Once clicked, the menu bar will reveal everything and will stay that way until a choice is either made or the user clicks off the menu. Moving down products will offer additional breakdowns when it comes to products. Going to display, for example, and then monitors will now reveal the monitor page that we were previously looking for. You can notice some details about the monitor page that is different from Dell. They are broken down into subsections like gaming, eye care, or different types of monitors, whether they are professional or not. Another noticeable difference is that there is a where to buy button. This opens up another link which sells to external websites versus the online website like Dell offered. A noticeable difference is the help button that appeared all over the Dell website. This only appears on product tabs for the ASUS website. From there, the user has to click on it. It will appear in a new window, and then the user is prompted to whether or not what they want help in based on the category, and it is broken further down. There is the transfer to an agent button that could easily be missed as it is just text. It is not really a button. If the links have the answer you're looking for, it is provided with a page, and then they ask if the information was useful or not. From there, the footer of the website has a little bit more to offer than the Dell website, which gives more of a sitemap with more links to click and community information. Both websites feature multiple regions for languages. ASUS offers you to select by region, where Dell offers you to select by language. Of the two websites, I think Dell is the better option. This due to being the fact that they are more business geared, where ASUS tends to be more gamer geared right now, speaking to younger clients. They are also not as old as Dell, making it far less advanced when it comes to their website building. Thank you for your time. I hope you found my presentation knowledgeable.